Hey everyone, Amtrak and CSX Railfan here, and we got another train close to like 12:08 p.m. Sometimes the Lakeshore Limited comes early, sometimes Lakeshore 48. It's probably it, because I just heard him, he's trying to warn us right now. Yup, it is. And here he comes. Seems to be slowing a little bit here. He's like smoking up there it goes, like smoking up a storm. If that was the case, why he was going up. So if he's having issues like that, or it could be also another train still ahead of him. He probably has to wait for the interlocking to be engaged too, in case he has to like switch from one track, from the track he's on now, to the second track.